You have anything to say? Apparently, Shiba to the moon. You didn't hear that? All right. So, what we're here to talk about today is really just the fact that I burned off 1 million tokens, 1 million coins. And I wanted to express my feeling as to why I planned on doing this and my overall thoughts on Shiba for the future. And we're also going to look at the price. We're going to look at some information and just give you guys some good detail. And hopefully, you guys can see where I'm coming from. Now, let's go ahead and dive into this. Before we get started, guys, hit the like button, also hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. If you guys want to join my Discord group, the link will be in the description. I'm starting to clean things up to actually have like a more like a close to the chest Discord group. So if you guys want to join it, make sure you hit that link in the description. Show me that you are active, and we can definitely have conversations, here and there about all types of crypto as well as stocks and all that stuff. But first, let's start with Shiba's price. So Shiba's price right now is at 0.00007535 cents. It's up about 12% in the last day. We can see that it's up about 171%, 170% in the last week, 965% in the last month, and over 97 million percent in the last year. That would be huge if you did invest in the beginning. That's definitely a big point there. But we can see here that the circulating supply is still not fixed. If it is an issue, I don't understand why the systems can't fix it. There just may be some miscommunication from the coin to the actual exchanges, because all exchanges are like that. They show 549 trillion, and I don't know why that hasn't been fixed yet. It doesn't make sense, but you are seeing the market cap reflected based on that circulating supply, which price is separate. I did do a reaction video talking about how prices has different variables that take place, different variables that are in play when it comes to determining that price. But basically, the market cap is at a level to where it's higher than Dogecoin at the moment because of the circulating supply. When the circulating supply goes back to normal, you'll see that market cap go back down because the calculation is based on whatever the price in the circulating supply is. Right. You're also seeing volume that's actually down today. It's in the last 24 hours. It's down about 52%, down to 16.8 billion, which is still high. It's just 16.8 billion wasn't as high as it was previously. You can see here the typical hold time is 11 days. So people are still holding it, not as much as they were yesterday, but you can see the popularity is still pretty high as well. Now, I wanted to show you guys the truth behind this. So I don't know if it actually went through. Let's see if it did go through. So I have my Shiba Inu here and I have withdrawals. Let's see if it's deposited. So it has been complete. So I just burned off 1 million Shiba Inu coins. And the reason why I did that was not because, I just wanted to throw it out there, right? It's it's for the future. So my ultimate plan with Shiba Inu is more like a, let's say, 3 to 5 to 10 year plan. You never know how long this is going to take out or play out. Um, I believe that this was a coin that was meant to be burned. You look at in the beginning where 41% here was burned off in the beginning. 41% of the total supply basically was and is burned, and it's getting, bigger as days go on. We have a bunch of holders that want to increase this price to a level of a penny, to a level of $1. We have the popularity behind it. We want to see this succeed. But it seems like this was a coin that was meant to be burned. 410 trillion coins were burned right from the start, right? And if that many is burned right from the start, then we understand what we're trying to do with this coin. We're trying to get it to a reasonable level so that it can get to some of these higher heights that make sense to a lot of people. A penny, $1, $10, whatever it ends up being. I understand $10 is a stretch, $1 is a stretch, a penny is even a stretch, especially at the short term. But when you look at the long term, it's definitely in play. And that's where I start to see it a little bit different, because this is something that burn rate and the amount that's actually burned comes up so much. It comes up in every single video that you see, the amount that's burned, the fact that 410 trillion were burned. As you look at this wallet here, the black hole wallet, this is going to show you that 410 trillion coins were burned, right? Plus a bunch of billion and a bunch of million, including now, let's see if this updated, including my 1 million coins that were burned right here. 1 million coins. Let's see if I can scroll up. 1 million coins that were burned 27 minutes ago. That's me. So I just burned 1 million coins. Somebody else burned about 146,000 coins. Like, I'm ready to understand and let this thing fly, right? I actually plan on burning a total of 5 million coins. And the reason being is because I'm comfortable with holding 5 million, knowing what the potential is, the max potential. I believe that this can truly get to $1. And the way that it gets there is by implementing some sort of burn rate. Just like understanding this, let's look at this. So we go back to this article, 836 thousand holders of the token. We're looking for this to pass 1 million holders of this token. And what we want to see out of something like this, and I know it may be I don't know what words to use. It may be difficult to take in when you have, say, 10 million coins and the next person has 1 billion coins, and you're burning off maybe half, or burning off 30%, or burning off 10% of your supply, and maybe burning off 1% of their supply, right? Um, and if they're doing that, right, you're still seeing that they're putting something to the side. They're trying to help out the community, and it hurts you to burn off so much when they have so much. I understand that. For me, it's more or less the ultimate goal. By the time that it gets to a certain level, a lot of those people that hold 1 billion coins will probably end up selling or something like that, because they believe that um, the coin's going to come back, because they were just in it for that massive gain, short-term gains. But if you're in it for the long term, it's a different story, to where you can actually gain a decent amount out of it in 3, 5, or 10 years, maybe even sooner than that. You never know how this is really going to play out. So that's why I decided to burn this 1 million coins that you do see right here. And now, currently, let's go to my portfolio. If I go to my portfolio, update my portfolio, let's see. This hasn't been updated yet, but it does show that I have 1.2 million that's out there in limbo, but you have a withdrawal that was complete. So whenever this fully goes through, you'll see my overall coins updated. So that's 1 million coins that's going, out the window into a dead wallet. And I hope that, we have multiple people that do that over the next 3, 5, or 10 years. But yeah, that's where I come from with this. I don't know if you feel the same way, and where this can actually get to. This is why I had a live stream earlier today talking about Shiba Inu can get to 1 million. I just had somebody in the Discord point out that 3 million, or you have here 2.5 million, was burned, 3 hours ago. Right, you're seeing 400,000 that's burned. 4 hours ago, you're seeing 161,000 that's burned 3 hours ago. So you're seeing a decent amount that's actually burned. Um, every single hour, maybe. And you're including my 1 million coins that I'm burning into this wallet, because I truly do believe in the long term effect of this. My goal is to hold on to this for a long period of time, until I get to a point to where I probably own $5 million worth of Shiba Inu, not just worrying about 5 million coins. So ultimately, I'm probably looking to burn a couple of more, and maybe a couple of more million, maybe like 4 million in total. Well, 5 million in total, 4 million for the next couple of burns. But yeah, that's my opinion on all this. Let me know what you think about it. Do you believe that it can get to 1 penny? Do you think we're going to see massive burn rates? It looks like every single hour we have multiple, like, thousands or maybe even millions that are actually being burned off. And it's really, really interesting. So I'm glad to be a part of that, and I will continue to be a part of it, just because I do believe in the max value of where this can get to if there is a massive burn. Just imagine this coin gets to a $500 billion supply. It gets to a $500 billion supply. It definitely has 1 penny easily in the cards. It gets to a $500 billion supply. It may have 50 cents easily in the cards, right? By that time, by, 3 to 10 years, you might see multiple coins that are in that $1 trillion market cap, right? You might see Bitcoin that's up, way higher, Ethereum that's up in that 1 trillion. You might see Cardano, Solana, whatever by that time period. So 100, 200 billion is going to be normal. It's going to be normalized throughout the crypto market. So let me know what you think about this, because I definitely think it's interesting. And I would love to continue to support this community and show people that I'm not just looking to like sell the position. I'm looking to improve the community. So that's where I'm at. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Make sure you guys, check out my Discord link in the description, as well as just, checking out all my channels across YouTube. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next.